How soon will the most powerful rocket in the world make its first flight? Stay tuned for the latest. SpaceX has been moving steadily but carefully towards the first orbital flight test of Starship, the most powerful rocket the world has ever seen. Carefully is the key word here. SpaceX is well aware of the damage that could be done to the launch facility in Boca Chica, as well as the local area if this flight test fails on the pad or close to the ground. These tests include static test fires of the big booster's main engines, as well as fueling and launch tower tests. If all continues to go well, the first launch attempt should happen within the first few months of 2023. NASA successfully recovered its Orion spacecraft after its successful lunar flight. The SLS system worked flawlessly, sending the unmanned spacecraft on a 25.5-day-long lunar mission. This was the longest lunar mission using crew-rated hardware ever attempted. It also broke a new distance record, reaching a maximum distance from Earth of 270,000 miles, breaking the record that Apollo 13 set back in 1970. This flight paves the way for a crewed lunar mission sometime in 2024. Meanwhile, on Mars, the Perseverance rover is hard at work, collecting samples for eventual return to the Earth. The rover is finding samples that are very high in organics that could be very significant in the search for life once they are analyzed on laboratories here on Earth. While Perseverance is busy sampling, the rover's plucky companion, the Ingenuity helicopter, is still in operation, helping to map out safe but interesting areas for the rover to sample. Starting as a simple engineering model, Ingenuity has lasted far longer than intended and is proving the value of flying machines for future Martian investigations. The International Space Station has experienced a problem with one of the Russian Soyuz spacecraft docked to the station. On December 14th, coolant was observed leaking from the spacecraft, canceling a spacewalk that was already in progress. After closer inspection, it's believed that the leak was caused by a micrometeor or space junk piercing the exterior coolant line. Russian ground teams are still assessing the issue to determine if the spacecraft would be safe to use for an eventual Earth return. Stay tuned.